Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your WeChat ID. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your WeChat app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then, having opened up your WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Just like so, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on WeChat ID. So from here, what you need to do is to simply click on change WeChat ID. Then you'll be asked to enter your login password for security verification. Once you enter your login password, retype your new WeChat ID. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your WeChat ID. Very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.